Hello, Poké fans, but here today we are opening the tin of underrated sets. It's Chaos Rising and Perfect Order. Perfect Order chase cards are on screen right now. Starmie much more needed than the Clefable because I want to make the Starmie deck. So far I have one Starmie in my collection, so even just the basic EX would go fantastic because then I'll be able to play a very bad version of the deck. It's almost poetic. Underrated set in my opinion. I think it was overhated, underloved, and we are going to show it some love by pulling ourselves absolutely nothing. Okay, moving swiftly on to my mortal enemy of a set, Chaos Rising. I am on my hunt for Dragalge. This is pack number 36. Wish me luck, because so far I have pulled every EX, I'm pretty sure, other than Dragalge, because he just eludes me. He hides, he knows I want him. Failing to get him today, I'm going to bust it all out. I'm going to get the witch powers involved. We're going to make a seance and call upon him with crystals and candles and all that good stuff. You know what? We didn't have him. It's fine. We'll see you next week.